Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to clear your Apple Cash transaction history in 2025. First, open up the setting app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and search for Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on it. Here you will see the Apple Cash section, which lets you send and receive money. Tap on it. How to remove Apple Cash from your device? Just tap the switch to turn it off. Once you do that, Apple Cash will be removed from your wallet. But don't worry, your balance will still be available on the other device. Next, go back to the main settings screen and tap your Apple account at the top. Scroll down and hit sign out. This will help clear your Apple Cash transaction history. And this is it. You have successfully cleared your transaction history. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one with the new fresh content as I have promised.